Exploring Winne's model. Winne's model is centered around the idea of recursive feedback loops. He promotes the idea that self-directed learning is best approached with 4 linked phases that involve a recursive feedback loop. The feedback loops provide learners with cues, feedback, and supplementary information at every point along the process of self-regulation. This continual feedback is intended to ensure students are trained and aware of the many dynamics going on in SDL as often as possible. The 4 phases are task definition, where students generate an understanding of the task to be performed; goal setting and planning, where the students generate goals and a plan to achieve them; enact and study tactics and strategies, the use of the actions needed to reach these goals; and metacognitively adapting studying. This occurs once the main processes are completed and the student decides to make long-term changes in their motivations, beliefs, and strategies for the future. Here's a visualization of this model. You can see the 4 phases listed below that all link back up to the main cognitive conditions that are constantly going on throughout this entire process. These are filtered through the various standards of the teacher or the institution that are monitored and controlled carefully, and feed back into the operations of each different phase. This repeated cycle and feedback loop that's constantly ongoing makes sure there's a high quality of feedback and reflection going on at every stage in the development of this process. To explore some of the other theorist models, click on the relevant link below. Otherwise, skip ahead to the next big idea.